Hi there, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Now, I just wanted to have a quick chat. There aren't that many offers around this bank holiday weekend, the Coronation bank holiday weekend, but there is one I saw. I got an email the other day from Mr. AIRFIX to say they're doing a Coronation FlyPast bundle, okay? Inspired by the FlyPast of the RAF aircraft and Fleet Air Arm aircraft that is due after the Coronation. And what you get is a bundle. There's 24 aircraft, 22 kits, 24 aircraft in total. You get the Lancaster and 2 Spitfires on Mark II and PR Mark 19 from the Battle of Britain Memorial flight in a gift set. You get 9 British Aerospace Hawk T1 trainers from the Red Arrows. The Red Arrows are 9 aircraft. You get 6 Eurofighter Typhoons as gift sets, and you get 6 of the brand new F-35B Lightning starter sets as well. Now, all this comes together in one bundle, and it's £250 minus a penny, £249.99, £250 essentially. Now, it's a bit, it's about 40% saving on the list price of all these things. Why would you do that? Well, do you know what? I was thinking the other day, there's lots of people getting together for street parties and celebrations like that. Maybe in communities, and you can get people together and make AIRFIX kits together. All these things, the starter sets and the gift sets, they all come with glue, with paint and brushes. Okay, so there's everything there. You pretty much everything you need to make a nice kit. Maybe a craft knife you could do with, maybe some nail files to file down some of the plastic, but otherwise, pretty much everything's there. All your paints, all your decals to go on top, all the markings, they're all supplied. You can recreate the splendour of the flypast in honour of the King's coronation in AIRFIX kits in 1/72nd scale. It'd be quite a fun project, I'm sure, for any group of people. So, whether it is people in your street, whether it's your modelling club has got maybe a junior side of a modelling club and get together your kids and everyone at your modelling club. Maybe there's organisations like Air Cadets and Scouts and Guides and whatever, all these other youth organisations. Maybe they could be buying one and getting on and making them. All sorts. But it's just be a chance for loads of people to get together making AIRFIX kits, making model kits, because you know what? It's a great hobby and it's actually really therapeutic and very rewarding when you get to the end of it. So, the other good thing is, by the way, if you want to know how to put any of this stuff together, there's already build videos on actually everything that you get on my channel. So you want to know how to build the F-35B? There's a video on it. Eurofighter, been there, done that. All these planes, you can see build videos on my channel already to help you with a bit of hints and tips and tricks to make them look even better. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to say. If you do want to get one of these, do please go through the AIRFIX online store, which I think is the only place you can buy them. Go through the link in the information box below here. That's my affiliate link. AIRFIX at no extra cost to you. We'll make a small donation to this channel. And if you're an AIRFIX club member, you still get your 10% discount. And if you collect hobby rewards, the hobby rewards, you will get those as well. So it's a win-win for everybody, basically. If you're not in the club and you do buy one of these sets, please do remember to snip off the Flying Hours tokens on the boxes, send them into Models for Heroes, an excellent charity. Information on them is also in the information box below. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Have a fantastic weekend. I hope the weather isn't too terrible, unlike the coronation of the dear late Queen, my dad tells me, because he was doing the guarding the route just outside Buckingham Palace in June 1953, and he tells me it was heaving down a lot of the time. Let's hope it doesn't. Let's hope it doesn't rain on their parade, as it were, and we get to see this amazing fly past in the afternoon. In any case, have a great weekend. Hope to see you again back on the channel very soon. Do come back for Monday Matters, remember, and all the other content as it arrives. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you soon. Goodbye.